All those business efficiency experts say, work smarter, not harder, all that stuff. Well, here's a simple and surefire way to work smarter and not harder. Your WordPress website is an extension of your brand. So the website's out there, everybody sees, here's what I do, here's my staff, here's my services, etc. Now you want people to contact you. And in lots of cases, all it is they click a link and it sends a blah email to someone to info@my company or contact@my company. Or their website emails someone at the organization and here's this person that contacted me. And it's a horrible manual process. So you can take it a step further and look like a rock star with connecting your WordPress website to Dataverse or Power Apps on the back end from Microsoft. All this data funnels in. The user does all the work initially, and then you can get notified. You have a single point of truth of everything coming in from your website. No key in again. Oh, I have to put this in a spreadsheet. Oh, I have to put this in a CRM system. No, it's already been done for you. And now anyone can look at that person and say, I have to do something with this. I have to touch it. I have to reply. You have everything in one main system. And that's the beauty of Power Apps and Dataverse, Microsoft Dataverse. You've got a system that you can be as simple or as complex as you want, and it grows with you. So stop the manual key in, stop the bad experience for your prospects and customers and leads, connect the two together, first day of the rest of your life.